In this tutorial, I'm going to show you two easy methods to remove objects in Photoshop using both the removal tool and the generative fill feature. Here we have this image and we want to remove this hut from the scene. Let's start with the first method. First, duplicate the layer. This way, we keep the original image safe. Now, select the removal tool from the toolbar. Simply paint over the entire hut area, covering it completely. Once you release the brush, Photoshop will automatically process it. Now the hut is completely gone. You can see the result looks perfect, clean and natural with no visible edges or artifacts. Now let's move on to the second method. First, hide the previous layer, then duplicate the original image layer again. Next, make a selection around the hut using any selection tool. I'll use the lasso tool here. Now open the contextual taskbar from the window menu. Click on Generative Fill, then hit Generate. Photoshop's AI will remove the hut and automatically generate 3 variations. You can preview each one and choose the version that looks best to you. The result is smooth, realistic, and blends perfectly with the background. Now, let's take a look at another example. In this image, we want to remove a tattoo from the person's arm. Let's try the first method again, using the removal tool. Paint over the tattoo and let Photoshop process it. This time, you can see the result isn't as clean. There are still some visible texture differences. So, let's try the second method, using generative fill. Make a selection around the tattoo. Click Generative Fill and hit Generate. Now we get 3 variations again, and all of them look much better and more natural. Both methods are powerful, and it really depends on your image which one gives the best result.